The pulley is block and tackle system. It is a part of, it is one of the combination of pulley arrangement. Okay, here what will happen, instead of one pulley you will use more than one pulley. It may be 3, it may be 2, it may be 4, it may be 5, it may be 6, no limit. Okay, here there are two cases, 4 and 3 or 5. There are, I'll draw the diagram first. First you see the diagram and try to understand the concept. Block and tackle system means the whole, the more than one pulley, so there will be two blocks. One is called as upper block or fixed block. Upper block or fixed block. Second one is there is a lower block, which is also called as a movable block. Two blocks will be there. Suppose this is a one. First I am drawing this one, rigid support. Here is a pulley. Here is another pulley. Little bit. Always the pulley sizes will be increased from here. From upper block, it will, as you will go up, it will increase the size because the string will not mix each other. Lower block also, this pulley size, this pulley will be same. Second one, this is 4 pulley arrangement I am saying. Next 5 pulley I will tell you. This is, here is a second pulley. This is a second block. First, this is called as a upper block. Or we can say that is a fixed block. This is called as a lower block. Clear? How the string will pass? Here is the load lifted. Clear? Okay. If, are you clear? So now someone need to respond. I said at least one person. Sometimes due to network problem you may not be able to hear. I will be thinking that I am going on teaching. That's why I want this. So if it is equal number of pulleys, you have to start from the up. Okay, start from the upper block, fixed block. The string will be start from here. See. So that the effort will be always downward. Clear? Are you getting me? What things if you keep in mind? What things you have to keep in mind while drawing this diagram? Number one thing is that the pulleys should be arranged properly. It is not that all the pulleys are equal size. No, it is not allowed. Okay. Lower to higher, down. Okay. Secondly, inner pulleys will be shorter, outer pulleys will be going on larger. So now what will happen? This will be free. This strings should be always straight, not like that. Suppose 4 pulleys you have drawn like this, someone done like this. This type of is not allowed. Okay, strings, because they are under tension. They are under tension. If they are under tension, they will be never in curve shape. Understood? If you are giving curve shape, means that indicates that there is no tension. Are you clear now? This load is direction of the forces. It will ask you in the exam that draw a pulley block and tackle system of 4 pulleys or 5 pulleys. So the direction of the force is acting by. So direction of the force, load is acting downward. These all strings are upward. I said already. This is also a part of segment. All string segments are upward. Here also upward, but the effort will be downward again. Effort and load direction will be downward, remaining all upward. All the segments will be up. Here, this is again once again a single string. Yes or no? This is once again a single string or not? So all the tensions will be same. So I can write T, T, T and T. And this is also effort also, test also T. Are you clear now? Are you clear? Okay. Just I'll complete this parts mechanical and other things, and I'll go for the next another ones, block electrical system, other things. Okay. Now find out here load. Load is lifted by how many pulleys? How many, sorry, not pulleys, how many segments? This whole load is lifted by how many segments? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes or no? So I can write 40. Can I write or not? And effort is equal to only T. Is T? Yes? Agree? Now, MA will be what will become? For load by effort 4T by T, that is 4. But ideal case. Don't forget to write it. VR what? Before going to VR, suppose 1 meter I'll drag here. That 1 meter will adjust in 1, 2, 3, 4 pulleys. Yes or no? 3 segments. That means load will lift only raise only up to 1 by 4 only of the 1 by 4 meter. Yes or no? Now, so I can say DE is equal to 4DL. Suppose 1 meter, I'll raise this one, 4 strings of 1 meter each, you will release, so 4 meter will come down. That way, same thing only. Agree? Now VR will be D by DL. DE is equal to 4DL by DL. DL cancel, so left out is 4. Clear? Are you clear? Okay, copy this. We will go for the next one. Efficiency here no need to find it. General one will find it. Then you will get the all. Here also you can, if you want, you can find efficiency is equal to MA by VR into 100. That is equal to 4 by 4 into 100. That is 100%. But ideal case this one. But no need to find individually. Just I said the MA VR how it will be. Just you can copy it. Next we'll go for 5 pulleys. Then generalized one will do. If you copy it, then I'll go for the next one. Okay. Let us check if, see, I observed if there are 4 pulleys, 2 up, 2 down I arranged, 2 in upper block, 2 in a lower block. Getting my point? But if there is odd number of pulleys like 3, 5, 7, then always keep upper block has more number of pulleys. Getting my point? If there are even number of pulleys, both the blocks have equal number of pulleys. But if there is odd number of pulleys, then always upper block has more number of pulleys than the lower block, so that you will have a greater mechanical advantage and more efficiency.